Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AdSense from Google account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you submit a website into your Google AdSense for approval? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to submit your website to Google AdSense for approval? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online content business, you know that AdSense is an easy way to start generating revenue on your website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in your AdSense account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google AdSense account, and this is the home screen. Now, here on the home screen, if you have another website you want to submit, here on the left side, you're going to click on Sites. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see all of the websites you have in your Google AdSense account. And in order to submit a new website for approval, you're going to click on this blue button here, Add New Site. Okay, next you want to go ahead and enter in the URL of the website. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so once you've entered the URL, click on this blue Save button. Okay, next Google's going to ask you to verify ownership of the website. So you can do one of three things. You can use the AdSense code snippet, you can use a meta tag, or ads text snippet. So that's really up to you. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use this one, AdSense code snippet. Okay, so here is the code. You're going to go ahead and click on this copy button. Then you're going to need to go to your website developer. So that could be WordPress, it could be Weebly, and you need to paste that code into your website. That's going to be different depending on which web provider you're using. A lot of times if you're using a service like one of these drag and drop features, they're going to have a location that you can easily just drop in your AdSense code. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and add the code now into my WordPress website. Okay, guys, I went ahead and pasted the code into my website. Actually, I was able to take care of it directly from Google Sitekit in the WordPress website. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on verify. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my website that we added into my Google AdSense, it requires review. So it's in review right now. So now we just need to wait for Google AdSense to approve the website or decline the website. Now you might be wondering how long it takes for the approval process. So that really depends. Usually it's going to take somewhere between 2 and 4 days, but Google AdSense does let you know it can take between 2 and 4 weeks for that approval. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to submit a new website to your Google AdSense account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.